Now, this looks kind of odd. It seems like this whole bit should cascade to the next line, both the selector and the label. If we look at the HTML structure of this, I'm going to inspect the element. We have a series of inputs and labels. Now, what I think we can do is create wrappers around the inputs and labels, and then we can set the text to not wrap, which is something we haven't done yet. But if we did that, then the breaking to the next line would happen between these wrapper divs or wrapper spans. So let's experiment with that. I'm going to go to our editor, and I'll go to our index.html file. I'm going to do a quick search for curious, define the place in our HTML. And now what I want to do is wrap divs or spans around each one of these. I'm going to go ahead and use divs. And I'm going to give each one a class, contact form, and then I'll call it radio wrapper. And I'll indent these and add our closing divs. And I'll do this for each one of these groups. So here's the one for our partner, and then another one for the client. And now, let's set the styling of this wrapper so that it won't be a block element. A div is a block by default. We'll set these to inline blocks. And I'm going to do a quick search through our file system for contact to open up the contact form SCSS file. And I'll find the place where we're dealing with our labels right here. I'll paste this in, and we can replace the contact form section with the ampersand. And we'll set the display to inline block. I'll save this and refresh in the browser, and it looks like this is actually sufficient. So you can see that our label is bumping up to the next line, and everything else looks like it's working good. And if we expand bigger, everything will start to fill a single line again.